Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed the simplest form, like and unlike fractions, comparison of fractions. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 6.4 and addition of fractions. Let's move on to the topic. Next, we shall discuss fourth problem from exercise 6.4. Rearrange in ascending order. Option A 1 by 2, 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Rearrange these fractions in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to biggest. Okay. So here the fractions are, the denominators of these fractions are different. Okay, here first fraction the denominator is 2. Second fraction 5, third fraction 3. First converting them into like fractions. First of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 2, 5 and 3. LCM of 2, 5 and 3. 2, 5 and 3. Here 3 numbers are, these are different. Okay, so multiply 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 3 is 30. The LCM is 30. Is equal to 30. First fraction 1 by 2. Multiplying 2 with 15. We get 30. Is equal to 1 into 15 divided by 2 into 15. Is equal to 1 into 15. 15 divided by 2 into 15. 30. The second fraction 4 by 5. Multiplying 5 with 6, we get 30. So 4 into 6 divided by 5 into 6 is equal to 4 6 are 24. 24 by 30. The last fraction 2 by 3 is equal to, here the denominator is 3. So multiplying 3 with 10, we get 30. So 2 into 10 divided by 3 into 10 is equal to 20 by 30. Now the denominators are same. Here 30, 30, 30. Okay, since the numerators 15, 24 and 20, 15 is less than 20, less than 24. 15, 24 and 20. 15 is less than 20, less than 24. So 15 by 30 is less than 20 by 30 is less than 24 by 30. Okay, now 15 by 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is less than 20 by 30 is 2 by 3. Less than 24 by 30, 4 by 5. So 1 by 2 less than 2 by 3 less than 4 by 5. Smallest to biggest. Next, option D 5 by 7, 4 by 9, 1 by 21. Arrange these fractions in ascending order. Okay. First we have to find the LCM of 7, 9 and 21. LCM of 7, 9 and 21. 7, 9, 21. Start with 3. 7 is not divisible by 3. So, you have to write the same number 7. Then, how many 3s are in 9? 3 3s are 9. How many 3s are in 21? 7 3s are 21. Then, 7. 1 7s are 7. 3 is not divisible by 3. 7. So, write same number 3. Here 1. Again 3. 1. Here 1 3s are 3. 1. Multiplying 3 into 7 into 3. 3 into 7. 21. 21 into 3. 21 into 3. 63. So, the LCM is 63. First fraction 5 by 7. Here the denominator is 7. Okay, so multiply 7 with 9. We get 63. So 5 into 9 divided by 7 into 9 is equal to 5 nines are 45. 45 by 63. The next fraction 4 by 9. Here the denominator is 9. So multiply 9 with 7. We get 63. So 4 into 7 divided by 9 into 7 is equal to 4 sevens are 28 by 9 sevens are 63. And the last fraction 1 by 21. 1 by 21 is equal to, here the denominator is 21, so multiply 21 with 3, we get 63. So 1 into 3 divided by 21 into 3 is equal to, 1 into 3 is 3, 21 into 3 is 63. Now the denominators are same. Okay, so the comparing the numerators 45, 28 and 3. Since 3 is less than 28, less than 45. 3 is less than 28, less than 45. So 3 by 63 is less than 28 by 63 is less than 45 by 63. 3 by 63 is same as 1 by 21. So 1 by 21 is less than 28 by 63 is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is less than 45 by 63 is 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So 1 by 21 less than 4 by 9 less than 5 by 7. Next, question number 5. Rearrange in descending order. Option A 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 9 by 20, 3 by 4. Descending order means arrange from big to small. First converting the given fractions into like fractions. First we have to find the LCM of 5, 10, 20 and 4. LCM of 5, 10, 20 and 4. 5, 10, 20 and 4. Start with 5. 1 5s are 5. Here 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20. If 4 is not divisible by 5, so write the same number 4. Again 2. 1. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 1 1. Here 1 2s are 1. 1 2s are. So multiply 5 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. The LCM is 20. So the first fraction 4 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. So multiplying 5 with 4, we get 20. So 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 4 is equal to 4 4s are 16. 16 by 20. The next fraction 7 by 10. Here the denominator is 10. So multiply 10 with 2, we get 20. So 7 into 2 divided by 10 into 2 is equal to 7 2s are 14, 10 2s are 20. The third fraction 9 by 20. Here the denominator is 20. Same, okay. So write the same number, same fraction 9 by 20. The fourth one 3 by 4 is equal to, here the denominator is 4. So multiply 4 with 5, we get 20. So 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5 is equal to 15 by 20. Now 16 by 20, 14 by 20, 10 by 20, 15 by 20. So the denominators are same. Okay. Here descending order. Okay. So arrange from big to small. 16, 14, 9 and 15. So 16 is greater than 15. It is greater than 14. greater than 9. Since 16 is greater than 15, is greater than 14, is greater than 9. So 16 by 20 is greater than 15 by 20, is greater than 14 by 20, is greater than 9 by 20. 16 by 20 is same as 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 15 by 20 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 14 by 20 is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is greater than 9 by 20 is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Next option D, 1 by 12, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 3 by 8. Arrange these fractions in descending order. Descending means arrange from big to small. So we have to find the LCM of 12, 4, 6 and 8. 12, 4, 6, 8. Start with 2. 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Again 2, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, so you write the same number 3, 2 2s are 4. Again 3, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3 and 2. Again 2, 1, 1, here 1 2 is 2. So multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. The LCM is 24. Now the first fraction 1 by 12. Here the denominator is 12. So multiply 12 with 2, we get 24. So 1 into 2 divided by 12 into 2 is equal to 1 2 is 2. 2 divided by 24. The next fraction is 3 by 4 is equal to, here the denominator is 4. So multiply 4 with 6, we get 24. So 3 into 6 divided by 4 into 6 is equal to 18 by 24. The third fraction 5 by 6. Here the denominator is 6. So multiply 6 with 4, we get 24. So 5 into 4 divided by 6 into 4 is equal to 20 by 24. The last fraction 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is equal to, here the denominator is 8. So multiply 8 with 3, we get 24. So 3 into 3 divided by 8 into 3 is equal to 9 by 24. Now the denominators are same, 24, 24, 24, 24. So compare the numerators. Since 20 is greater than 18, is greater than 9, is greater than 2. So 20 by 24 is greater than 18 by 24 is greater than 9 by 24 is greater than 2 by 24. 20 by 24 is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 greater than 18 by 24 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 9 by 24 is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 24 is 1 by 2. Next we shall discuss the addition and subtraction of fractions. First problem from exercise 6.5 and the following. Option A, 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Here the denominators are same. So like fractions, okay. How to add two like fractions? If the denominators are same, so we add the numerators and write the same denominator. Here the denominators are same, so you write the same denominator 8. We add the numerators 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 by 8. The next one 19 by 20 plus 12 by 20. Here the denominators are same 20. So you write the same denominator 20. Then add the numerators 19 plus 12. 19 plus 12. 19 plus 12, 31. 31 divided by 20. Then option H, 27 by 43 plus 11 by 43. Here the denominators are same, like fractions. So write this common denominator 43. Add the numerators 27 plus 11 is equal to 38 by 43. Next, subtract the following. Option B, 7 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Here the denominators are same. So like, okay. So you write the common denominator 10. Then subtract 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 by 10. The next one, option E, 17 by 20 minus 3 by 20 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so 20. Subtract the numerators, 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 by 20. Then the last option, option H, 18 by 19 minus 6 by 19. The denominator is 19. Then 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 by 19. Next, question number 3. Add the following fractions. Option A, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Here the denominators, first one 4 and second one 5. The denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. So first we convert them into like fractions and then add. First of all we have to find the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is 4 into 5, 20. So 3 by 4 is equal to, multiply 4 with 5, we get 20. So 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5. 15 by 20. Then the next fraction 2 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. So multiply 5 with 4. We get 20. So 2 into 4 by 5 into 4 is equal to 8 by 20. So 15 by 20, 8 by 20, they are like. Okay, then add 15 by 20 plus 8 by 20. So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 15 by 20 plus 8 by 20. 15 by 20 plus the second fraction 8 by 20 is equal to 20 common. 15 plus 8. So 15 plus 8 divided by 20 is equal to 23 by 20. The next one, option D, 3 by 8 plus 5 by 6. So denominators are different. So unlike, first convert them into like. LCM of 8 and 6 is equal to 8 comma 6. Start with 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 12, then again 2, 2 2s are 4, then 3. So no common factors other than 1. So multiply these numbers, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. So first fraction 3 by 8 is equal to, here the denominator is 8. So multiply 8 with 3, we get 24. So 3 into 3 divided by 8 into 3 is equal to 9 by 24. The next fraction 5 by 6. Here the denominator is 6. So multiply 6 with 4, we get 24. So 5 into 4 divided by 6 into 4 is equal to 20 by 24. Now 9 by 24 and 20 by 24 are like fractions. Denominators are same. So we add. So the question 3 by 8 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 8 is 9 by 24 plus 5 by 6 is 20 by 24 is equal to common denominator 24 adding the numerators 9 plus 20 is equal to 29 by 24. Next, option F, 1 plus 5 by 8. 1 can be written as 1 by 1 plus 5 by 8. 1 can be written as 1 by 1 plus 5 by 8. So the denominators are 1 and 8. Okay, so first convert them into like fractions. First of all, you have to find the LCM of 1 and 8. LCM of 1 and 8. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. So the first fraction 1 by 1 is equal to, here the denominator is 1, so multiply 1 with 8, we get 8. So 1 into 8 by 1 into 8 is equal to 8 by 8. The second fraction 5 by 8, here the denominator is 8, so write the same fraction 5 by 8. Then add 1 by 1 plus 5 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 is 8 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is 5 by 8. 8 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Here the denominators are same. So write the common denominator 8. Add the numerators 8 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 by 8 is the answer. Next, option H, 4 by 7, 3 by 14 and 2 by 7. So how to add the addition of 3 unlike fractions? First of all, we have to find the LCM of 7, 14 and 7. 7, 14 and 7. 7, 14 and 7. Start with 7. 1, 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 1 7 is 7. So multiplying 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 14, 14 into 1, 14. So the LCM is 14. First fraction 4 by 7, here the denominator is 7. So multiply 7 with 2, we get 14. So 4 into 2 divided by 7 into 2 is equal to 8 by 14. The next fraction 3 by 14. Here the denominator is 14. So same denominator. So write the same number 3 by 14. Same fraction. The third one 2 by 7. Here the denominator is 7. So multiply 7 with 2. We get 14. So 2 into 2 divided by 7 into 2 is equal to 4 by 14. Now 8 by 14, 3 by 14, 4 by 14. These are all like. Okay, denominators are same. So we add the numerators. So 4 by 7 plus 3 by 14 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 4 by 7 is 8 by 14 plus 3 by 14 plus 4 by 14. So the common denominator, we add the numerators 8 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 by 14. Next question, question number 4. Subtract the following fractions. Option B, 4 by 5 minus 7 by 15. Here the denominators are 5 by 15. So they are different. First convert them into like fractions and then subtract. So LCM of 5 and 15. 5 comma 15. So start with 5. 1 5 is 5 and 3 5s are 15. So multiplying 5 into 1 5. 5 into 3 15. The LCM is 15. First fraction 4 by 5. Multiplying 5 with 3 we get 15. So 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 3 is equal to 12 by 15. The next fraction 7 by 15. So the denominators are same. So 7 by 15. Then subtract 4 by 5 minus 7 by 15 is equal to 4 by 5 is 12 by 15. 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15 is equal to common denominator 15. Subtract the numerators. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 by 15. Here the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 15. So we already studied the simplest form. Okay. So we can cancel by 5. 1 5s are 5 and 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 1 by 3. The simplest form of 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. Next option F, 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So the LCM of 10 and 5. 10 comma 5. 2 5s are 10 and 1 5 is 5. The LCM is 5 into 2, 10. First fraction is 7 by 10. The denominators are same. So 7 by 10. Second fraction 1 by 5 is equal to. Here the denominator is 5. So multiply 5 with 2, we get 10. So 1 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 is equal to 2 by 10. Then 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10. So the denominators are same. So 10, subtract the numerators, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 by 10, 5 by 10. 5 by 10, here 5 is common for both the numerator and denominator. So cancelling, 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. 1 by 2. So the simplest form of 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. The next option H, 1 minus 2 by 5. So 1 can be written as 1 by 1 minus 2 by 5. So LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 1 into 5, 5. So the first fraction 1 by 1 is equal to, multiply 1 with 5, we get 5. So 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 5 is equal to 5 by 5. The second fraction 2 by 5, that is same, 2 by 5. So subtract 1 by 1 minus 2 by 5 is equal to, 1 by 1 is 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Denominators are same, so subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Here 3 and 5 are no common factors other than 1. So the simplest form of 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. In question number 5, add the following mixed fractions. Option G, 7 1 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 3. Addition of 3 mixed fractions. First convert them into improper fractions, then add. 7 1 by 4 is equal to, here the denominator is 4, then multiplying 7 and 4, add 1 is equal to 28 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 29 by 4. It is an improper fraction. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. The next one, 1 by 2 is equal to, the denominator is 2, multiply 1 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. The next fraction 7 1 by 3 is equal to, denominator is 3, 7 into 3 plus 1 is equal to, 7 into 3 is 21, 21 plus 1 by 3, 22 by 3. So these are all unlike fractions. Why these are unlike fractions? Here the denominators are different. 4, 2 and 3. First of all, convert these fractions into like fractions. So you have to find the LCM of 4, 2 and 3. The LCM of 4, 2 and 3. 4, 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2 and 3 So multiply 2 and 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So LCM is 12. The first fraction 29 by 4. Here the LCM is 12. So multiply 4 with 3, we get 12. So 29 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. 29 into 3, 87 divided by 4 into 3, 12. 87 by 12. The next fraction 3 by 2. Multiply 2 with 6, we get 12. So 3 into 6 divided by 2 into 6 is equal to 18 by 12. The last fraction 22 by 3. So here the denominator is 3. So multiply 3 with 8. We get, multiply 3 with 4. We get 12. So 22 into 4 divided by 3 into 4 is equal to 88 by 12. Here the denominators are same. So these are all like fractions. Then add. 87 by 12 plus 18 by 12 plus 88 by 12. Here the denominators are same. Write the common denominator 12. Then add the numerators 87 plus 18 plus 88. 87, 18, 88. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 8, 23. The balance 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 1, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. So 193 divided by 12. The answer is 193. 193 divided by 12. In option F, find 2 by 5 plus 3, 3 by 10. So mixed fractions. So first convert them into an improper fraction. 5. 2 by 5 is equal to, here the denominator is 5, then multiplying 5 and 5, 5 into 5 plus 2 is equal to 25 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 27 by 5. The next fraction, mixed fraction 3, 3 by 10 is equal to, here the denominator is 10, multiplying 3 and 10, 3 into 10 plus 3 is equal to 30 plus 3 by 10 is equal to 33 by 10. So 27 by 5, 33 by 10. Here the denominators are 5 and 10. They are different. First convert them into like. 27 by 5 plus 33 by 10. Here LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10. 1 5 is 5 and 2 5s are 10. So the LCM is 5 into 1 into 2. The LCM is 10. Next, convert these improper fraction sign into like fractions. 27 by 5 is equal to, here the denominator is 5. So multiply 5 with 2, we get 10. So 27 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 is equal to 54 by 10. The next fraction 33 by 10. 33 by 10 is equal to, here the LCM is 10. So denominator is 10. So write the same fraction 33 by 10. Then add 54 by 10 plus 33 by 10 is equal to, denominators are same. So common denominator 54 plus 33 is equal to 87 by 10. Next, question number 6. Subtract the following mixed fractions. Option C. Find 2 by 3 minus 4, 1 by 4. Find 2 by 3. It's a mixed fraction. So convert into improper fractions. Improper fraction. Here the denominator is 3. So multiplying 5 and 3 plus numerator 2. is equal to 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 17 by 3. The next fraction 4 1 by 4 is equal to, here the denominator is 4, so multiply 4 and 4, 4 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 17 by 4. So 17 by 3 and 17 by 4, here the denominators are 3 and 4, they are different. So first then convert into like fractions. 17 by 3 plus 17 by 4. First of all, you have to find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. The first fraction 17 by 3. Here the denominator is 3. So multiply 3 with 4, we get 12. 17 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. 17 into 4, 68 divided by 4 into 3, 12. The next one 17 by 4. So here the denominator is 4. So multiply 4 with 3, we get 12. So 17 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 is equal to 17 into 3, 51. 4 into 3, 12. So this fraction, the denominators of these fractions are same. Like, so 68 by 12 plus 51 by 12, add these two fractions, the common denominator 12, and the numerators 68 plus 51 divided by 12 is equal to 119 by 12. Option E, 7 4 by 5 minus 2 1 by 4. 7 4 by 5 is a mixed fraction, convert them into an improper fraction. Here the denominator is 5, then multiply 7 and 5, add 4 is equal to 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 divided by 5. 35 plus 4, 39 divided by 5. The next fraction 2 1 by 4 is equal to, then the denominator is 4. Multiply 2 and 4. 2 into 4 plus 1 is equal to, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. Then add 39 by 5 plus 9 by 4. 39 by 5 plus 9 by 4. Here the denominators are different. Unlike, first convert them into like. First of all, we have to find the LCM of 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the LCM. The first fraction 39 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. So multiply 5 with 4, we get 20. So 39 into 4 divided by 5 into 4 is equal to 39 into 4, 9 4s are 36, balance 3. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3, 5. 156 divided by 20. The next fraction 9 by 4 is equal to, here the denominator is 4, so multiply 4 with 5, we get 20. So 9 into 5 divided by 4 into 5 is equal to 45 by 20. 156 by 20 and 45 by 20 are like fractions. The denominators are same. So we add 156 by 20 plus 45 by 20. The common denominator 20. Add the numerators 156 plus 45. 156 plus 45. 6 plus 5, 11, balance 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, balance 1, 2. So 201 divided by 20. Today we have discussed the addition and subtraction of like fractions, unlike fractions and mixed fractions. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note and keep We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.